is for umbrella bird with feathers like a crown. V is for vulture, circling around. W is for woodpecker tapping on a tree. X is for xenox, packing busily. Y is for yellow warbler singing in the sun. Z is for zebra finch having so much fun. Now we've learned our ABCs with these birds from A to Z.